Hi, let us learn how to download TuxPaint in your laptop or a desktop computer. So this link you're going to get in the description box. So just click on this link and the window will open for you. Just scroll it down and here we are having a green button on it, free download route. So just click on this one. The downloading automatically will start if you click on it. So the TuxPaint has been started downloading. It will take a few minutes to download. Yes, it is done downloading. Now go in the download folder or you just click on this one. It will ask you for a run. So just click on the run button. Click on the run button and say yes for installation. And then you will get this window, which language you want. So just say English, okay. And say I accept the first one. Click on it and say next. Then just keep on say next, next, and then next, and then next, and say install. It will take a fraction of a second to install it or a 1 minute. Yes, it is done and say finish. Just say okay. Minimize it. Minimize everything. See on the desktop you can see the TuxPaint has been started up. You just close this one and see the TuxPaint logo you can see on the desktop. Just double click on it. The TuxPaint is going to start. So this is how you can download a TuxPaint in your laptop on your desktop computer. Just take a while, take a minute to open the TuxPaint in the computer. So this is how you can download the TuxPaint in your laptop in a computer. Thank you for watching.